Well, after 140 days, Texas lawmakers wrapped up the 89th legislature yesterday. The lawmakers are busy at the state capitol passing bills on the last day to get them to Governor Greg Abbott's desk and hopefully make them law.
CBS 19's Robert De La Garza joins us now to recap some of the most impactful and controversial bills passed by the House that are now on the governor's desk. Robert?
The 89th legislative session is over, and it seems lawmakers managed to get everything they wanted on their to-do list. Let's break it down. First up, school choice, a top priority for Abbott this legislative session, passed after years of debate. The bill creates an education savings account program in Texas. This will allocate $10,000 per student for private or homeschooling.
To be able to achieve the education that's going to be best for them and to allow their parents to be able to make that decision.
Abbott has already signed school choice into effect, but this bill wouldn't be fully implemented until the 2026 to 2027 school year. Continuing with public education, Senate Bill 12 would ban teaching on gender identity and sexual orientation curriculum, ban DEI hiring and training practices, and remove related student clubs.
We're going to allow gay clubs and we're not going to allow straight clubs. We shouldn't be sexualizing our kids in public schools, period. And we shouldn't have clubs based on sex.
Lawmakers against the bill say it would impact LGBTQ youth and say it would cut out safe spaces and mental health support. Sticking with education, two controversial bills that both passed the House and awaiting Abbott's approval are Senate Bill 10 and 11. Senate Bill 10 would require all Texas classrooms to display a poster or framed copy of the Ten Commandments.
I just think I see no problem in people being exposed to the right way to live.
The state, not school districts, would be responsible for legal costs if the district is sued over the law. And Senate Bill 11, which passed the House and is also in the governor's control, would require a designated period for prayer each day.
Religion shouldn't be in public school systems. It should be within your home.
Next up, THC ban, one of the most controversial bills, and Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick said it was one of the most important coming into this legislative session. Senate Bill 3 would ban all products containing THC statewide starting in September. This includes gummies, vapes, and flower buds, which Dan Patrick called a threat to children.
This is a poison in our public, and we as the legislature, our number one responsibility is life and death issues.
The impact for small family-owned businesses, for a lot of people, will be detrimental.
This bill has faced opposition from those in the hemp industry who have lobbied for Abbott to veto. And finally, Senate Bill 8, which gives Texas sheriffs expanded authority to enforce federal immigration law through agreements with ICE. Critics argue it could lead to government overreach and legal challenges. The bill was sent to the governor Sunday.
When you look at the immigration enforcement that's going on around our country, and you see that young kids are crying as their mother or father gets deported.
Lawmakers also passed on bills on property tax relief, bill reform, and laws to refine medical exceptions under one of the toughest abortion bans in the country. In total, more than 6,500 bills were introduced this session and more than 300 passed. Now, all eyes are on the governor, and he's got until June 22nd to either sign these bills into law or send them back with a veto.